Yes, hi, this is Juan Lince, JM Lince Computers. So today I'm going to open this Dell all-in-one computer to expose the components. In this case, for this customer, I'm going to change the hard drive. This is an Inspiron 3477. So yeah, it's not complicated to do this job. Some of these machines are hard to open, but this one is easy. Basically, you have this little tab here that you need to open. You could just use any tool to just pull it up like that. And then there's 4 screws that you'll need to take out, one on each corner. So let's do that real quick. So you just lift it this way, this first like this, and then you pull it like that. So you remove the base and then there's no screws here that you need to remove, so they'll make it really easy. You just need to lift it a little bit from here, so it will open up like that. You could use a tool like this just to help yourself, or like this. Try not to use metal because you don't want to break it too much, so gently just lose those plastic guides that are here. So yeah, once it's open, then everything is exposed. This is the hard drive that I will be removing. If you need to see the motherboard and the memory and all of that, you just need to get unscrew this screw. So it's really simple. I hope this helped for your project. Good luck. Like this video if it helps you, and if you want to subscribe, be my guest. Thank you so much.